Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, this is I think the third flight or the fourth flight ever on the Great Plains STA Ryan, or Ryan STA, and everyone was right about the vibration. I was right in that the prop was balanced, the prop adapter was fine, the motor was fine, motor mount was fine, and that's what, and the vibration, everyone said, well, it's got to be something, it can't just be the cowl. Well, it was the plastic spinner on the front. That was out of balance, and I really started looking at it while I had her idling, and the front of that spinner was just vibrating back and forth. The prop was secure, I didn't see any variation, and I took the prop off and balanced it just to be on the safe side, and it did need to be balanced. It was fine, just to check it again, because I balanced it the first time, but it was still fine. But that spinner, the plastic spinner, was just vibrating just enough. Now you'll definitely hear, still has a little bit of noise to it, but nothing like it did before if you watch the other videos. So now I feel a little bit better about opening her up and give her some speed. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. Well, she got a little bit of vibration, a little bit of noise, but nothing like she did before. And if y'all have any suggestions on a good spinner, I might just not even worry about a spinner and just leave her the way she is, because I kind of like the way she looks right now. But she was much, much noisier before. Well, she tracks good. Tracks real well. All right, timer set for 6.5 minutes.
Timer reset.
All right, left, up, down, right, left. Here we go.
AS3X mode.
Oh yeah, I'll turn on the AS3X now. Good flying plane.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
I mean, she just as stable as she can be. And she'll slow right down. Slow down to a crawl.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Good looking plane. See if we can't bring her back by and do a touch and go. Old Norman's doing a good job flying her. He sure is. He's a good pilot. He's on loan from FMS. Well, bounce and go. See if we can't improve upon that. Just a simple 4-channel plane.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Another bounce and go. Does have hard wheels though. A little bit of a knife edge here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Here, turn around. Take off one more time.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Good flying plane. I gotta improve upon that now. I can't let that go. All right, one more time. Remember, take off in the wind, land in the wind if at all possible. I'm determined to get a greaser out of her.
1 minute.
That definitely was not a greaser.
ESC 14.2 volts.
I know what I'll do. I'll cheat.
30 seconds.
I'll cheat and land in the grass.
Seconds. Prop is secured. Safe to
And now I got to pay for cheating.
Motor is on. Don't get hurt.
Got to pull full up elevator and then keep rocking her back and forth to get up out of that.
Prop is secured. Safe to approach.
All right, let's go over that flight. We can stay right here. We don't have to go back to the bench. As long as you can see the plane just fine. All right. We had 5 seconds left on a 6.5 minute timer. Okay. Top loader. $36% left on the battery. Okay. Now, CG on the plane is 60 to 70 millimeters back in from the front leading edge, basically a full finger lengths in. I'm running a 3200 Smart 4S in there, and she balances perfect right there. All right, let me show you my rates that I flew in, the plane rates, because I don't have flaps, all I got is rates and expo. On the aileron, 125 with 40% expo. Elevator, 80%, 40% expo. Rudder, 125, 40% expo. Now, my AS3X settings. All right, the gains. Roll, 30. Pitch, 35. Yaw, 50. Priority, 120 down the way, all the way. Roll, pitch, and yaw, 120. Heading, I don't do anything with. Stop lock, 35, which is the default. Roll, pitch, and yaw. And the release rate I left alone, stock 55, 55, 75. That's roll, pitch, and yaw. Nothing else was changed in the AS3X settings. And that's pretty much it. We went over CG, went over the plane rates, we went over the timer, and we went over the AS3X settings. So that's pretty much it. And let me show you the battery placement and the receiver I'm using. You can't see the ESC, but it's a 60 amp smart Avian ESC. Okay, same one that comes in the Timber Evolution. I think that's what comes in it. Running an AR631 Spektrum receiver, and that is a 3200 with a 30C 4S Spektrum Smart Pack. So all the internal electronics are Spektrum. All right, like I say, the motor is an Avian. I don't remember. I think it's got an 850 kV. Avian motor, 60 amp smart Avian ESC, Spektrum battery, and a Spektrum receiver. So all Spektrum there. The two servos I put in here are 12 gram micro all Metal Gear servos, and they're Emax if I remember right. And now the two I got two 14-gram Metal Gear Servo running the elevator and the rudder, but they are just from a crash plane. Couldn't even tell you what. I think they came out of an Arrows Husky. I think. That's Norman and my FMS pilot I've glued in there. And like I said, the only thing I now need is a better spinner. The spinner, the stock came with it. It was just vibrating, kind of rinky-dink. And but I may not even worry about it. I may just put me a nice one of those cone hubs on the front of that and be done with it. I kind of like the way that looks. But there's still a little small amount of vibration, but nothing like it was. It actually sounds really nice now. But there you go, folks. That's one of my very few of my wooden planes. I've only got, well, this is my only one right now. Now I think about it. But yeah. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, folks. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and good old oldie-timey planes, wooden planes. Balsa does fly awfully good. I'm not going to say it flies better, but it flies awfully good. It flies at least as good, maybe better than foam. But thank you, folks. Y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.